Hope you're having a solid Wednesday so far. Got a fresh brief for you? Let's see how the tape is setting up. PPI lands in just a few hours, so there's a real catalyst on the horizon. Let's check in on crypto first. Bitcoin's hovering around 81,000, basically flat on the day, with Ethereum at 2,300 and Solana off about 1.5% at 95. Fear and greed sits at 42, freshly into fear territory after a flat week, and we've climbed 30 points off the lows over the past month. So the recovery's intact, but losing steam. Here's where it gets interesting on positioning. Retail is 41% long Bitcoin. Top traders right alongside at 41% long. Rare alignment on the short side of the book. Funding slightly negative on Bybit perps, and the liquidation map shows a wall of short liquidations stacked at 81,007, just under 1% above price, with another $22 million cluster at 82,002. If Bitcoin pushes up, that's the squeeze fuel. Below, the first real long liquidation pocket sits at 79,005, about 2% down. Commodities side, gold's pushing higher again at 47.09, up 0.25%, while WTI crude's holding near $100.80, but slipping fractionally. That gold bid, alongside a soft dollar, tells you the inflation hedge trade is alive heading into PPI. Silver's also ripping nearly 3%. Watch how gold reacts to the PPI print. A hot number probably extends the move. Over to FX. The dollar index is at $98.37, basically pinned, with euro dollar at $1.17 and cable at $1.35. DXY's been range-bound between 98 and 99 for weeks now, so PPI could be the breakout trigger. A soft print, and we likely test $97.80 on the downside. Headlines-wise, a couple things to flag. Commonwealth Bank shares slumped on tax changes and provisions, dragging Australian lenders lower, which is feeding into broader regional bank caution. The OECD also flagged Japan hiking to 2% by end of 2027, reinforcing the global rates higher for longer theme. And on the trade front, Trump and Xi are weighing a rare earth truce extension, but China's curbs are still biting. That's a slow burn risk for the semi-supply chain. Looking ahead, PPI for April drops today at 12:30 UTC. That's the main event. Tomorrow, same time, we get US import and export prices, plus retail sales. So consumer health gets tested right after the inflation read. 2 days back-to-back, that can really move the dollar and rate expectations. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal with the liquidation map and funding rate widgets, your own custom strategy tabs, and the AI sparring partner watching the tape with you. Happy trading!